Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to bypass TPM 2.0 error in Windows 11. To get started, you'll need the official Windows 11 installation file. Open your browser and head over to Microsoft's website. Look for the section where you can download Windows 11 as a disk image. In the list, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition and then press Download. Next, you'll need to choose the language version you want. If you're in the United States, select English, United States, and confirm. After that, click on the 64-bit download option. The file will now begin downloading to your computer. Once it finishes, go to the folder where it was saved. Most of the time, it will be inside your Downloads folder. Right-click the ISO file and choose Mount. This will load the image as if it were a DVD drive. Windows will assign it a letter like D, F, or G. Remember which letter it shows because we'll need it later. The next step is to run the setup through the command prompt. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. If you see a security prompt, select Yes. In the command prompt, first switch to the drive that holds the mounted ISO. For example, if it shows up as Drive D, type D followed by a colon and press Enter. Now, type in this command: setup.x/product server/compact ignore warning/migrate drivers all. This line launches the installer while telling it to skip certain hardware checks, including the TPM requirement. You may notice the setup screen mentions Windows Server. That's normal, and the installation will still give you Windows 11. After that, just follow the normal steps. Click Next, accept the agreement, and continue. The setup will copy files, restart a few times, and complete the upgrade. On most systems, this process takes somewhere between 20 and 40 minutes. When everything is done, your system will start into Windows 11, even if your device doesn't meet the official requirements. Thanks for watching.